In this video, I will show you how to get, download or install DStv on your TV. So over here, I have the Hisense Smart TV, but it doesn't really matter the TV you're using. So whether you're using a Samsung TV, an LG TV, a Sony TV, a Roku TV, whatever TV you're using, this tutorial is going to work pretty well for you. We're going to be looking at 4 different ways we can get DStv into our smart TV, and I'm going to be going through each and every one of them one after the other. But before we go into the video, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for interesting tech tips like this one. Now, the first method is basically for you to search for the DStv app on your app store. So if you're using a Samsung TV, an LG TV, a Roku TV, a Sony TV, you just want to go to the app store of your smart TV, open up the app store on your smart TV, and then you want to go to the top search bar and then search for the DStv app on your TV. Now, most likely you're going to find this application on your TV if the TV you're using is assembled on your local country. And the reason is basically because most times when the TVs are assembled locally, they add up all of the apps that are most likely to be used by people in that local area. Now you can see basically here that my own Hisense Smart TV actually has the DStv Stream app, and I can go ahead and open it and or download this particular app into my smart TV. Now, if the first method did not work out for you, another thing you want to try and do is to go ahead and change the location of your smart TV to South Africa, which is the original country where DStv is made. So you just want to go ahead and go to the settings of your smart TV just like so, and then you want to scroll down until you get to the system settings on your smart TV, whatever smart TV you're using, and then you want to go to language and location. Now you can now see here I can change my location to whatever country I feel like. So you can just scroll down like so and search for South Africa and then choose South Africa as your country. And most likely this will reset your TV and then bring back the DStv app on your TV. You want to go to the app store on your TV again and search for the DStv app. The third solution to get DStv app on your smart TV is simply for you to stream DStv directly from the browser on your TV. Now, most of the modern TVs we have these days come with a browser, and just from the browser you can actually stream DStv because DStv is also available on the browser. So what you basically want to do is to go ahead and open up the browser on your TV. I actually do have the browser button on my remote control. So I can just go ahead and open up the browser of my TV, and on this search bar over there I can just go ahead and search for DStv. So I can just go ahead and search for DStv like so, and it is going to open DStv on the browser for me. Now I can just go ahead and click on DStv Stream. You can basically see it over here. So I can just go ahead and choose DStv Stream, and from here I should be able to create an account and even stream movies from DStv online. The fourth and the last way to get DStv app into your smart TV is simply for you to use a TV box. Now, if you do not know what a TV box is, it basically looks like this, and this is particularly the Google Chromecast. Now, what this particular TV box helps you to do is to give you that Android environment that allows you to be able to download and use Android apps on your smart TV. Now, this works for both smart TVs and non-smart TVs. Now, what you just have to do is to get this device. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video where you can actually get it at Amazon for an affordable price. So once you get this device, you want to go ahead and connect the dongle to the HDMI port on your smart TV. After connecting it to the HDMI port on your smart TV, you want to go ahead and change the input source on your smart TV to the same HDMI port where the device is connected. And once you select that particular input source, you're going to get an Android TV on your TV. Now, what you just want to do is to now go to the App Store on that Android TV, and then you should be able to download and install DStv app from that particular TV box. Okay guys, that will be all on how to get, install and download DStv into your smart TV. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.